Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Google Forms is still the fastest and easiest way to collect data in 2025 or if better tools have taken over. Google Forms let you create surveys, quizzes, and data collection forms in minutes with drag and drop fields, auto-saving to Google Sheets, response validation, built-in charts, and real-time collaboration, all completely free. And while it's great for schools, small businesses, and fast internal feedback, it lacks advanced features like conditional logic branching, payment integrations, and deeper design customization compared to paid tools like Typeform or Jotform. So if you need a fast, reliable, no-cost solution that's easy to share and manage within the Google ecosystem, then yes, Google Forms is still the fastest way to collect data in 2025. That's the full review. If speed and simplicity matter most, stick with Google Forms. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews just like this.